So there are a couple of things that I just wanted to note, which is one, I actually just wanted to mention that we launched Cindy's little, or her project, her pet project, not so little, but big pet project that she's actually been super excited about is that we have a VIP of the month. And so because we started this month, we had four VIPs for January, February, March, and April. I just want to thank you for, all these women, Jane Davis, Linda Snell, Patty Philbrook, and Adita. I always butcher your last name. It's French. I'm not even going to try. Adita B. Thank you for your dedication, your feedback, your faces, your energy. You all show up on the webinars in a big way, and I super appreciate that. It means so much to me, even like on a personal level, and of course to all the True Energy, our team in True Energy, and the people who we have on the webinars. You're so appreciated, and get to keep your eye out for the next couple of weeks for that mystery box that you get. That I can tell you that Colleen and Cindy spent a lot of time creating those mystery box. They're very customized. So I think you'll be thrilled, happy, and enriched. So thank you so much. All right, so energy difference between the wand versus the body tool. The wand is tuned for for the meridians, the acupuncture points that you're hitting on your face, having to do with just, a more delicate energetic pathways. It's more subtle fascia release. It's a more subtle area of the body in the sense of like the mass muscles of our body versus the muscles of the face that are generally attached to the skin, where the muscles of the body don't attach to the skin, they attach to the bone. So it's a very different protocol, which is why this wand is more delicate, and the stainless steel has more slip to it. The frequencies are different. They do have lymphatics, but the body stone is very geared towards repairing the lymphatic system, repairing the fascia, and covering those larger muscle areas, and the acupuncture points, like acupuncture needles, and over the entire body, right? So it's about moving the energy in a much bigger way. So they're programmed slightly differently. The body stone more for lymphatic repair, but definitely has the acupuncture meridians in it. The wand for the specific protocol in the face, on the more gentle areas of the face, and also, the acupuncture meridians. I recently tripped on an uneven sidewalk while walking my dog. Oh no, I'm so sorry. And fell full force on my left side of my face. Oh my goodness, on concrete. This was about a month ago. There was a swelling, yeah, I bet, and later massive bruising all over the left side of my face, from the inner corner of the eye to the area under my jawbone where the old blood was pooling and draining. Swelling and bruising, discoloration dissipated mostly within 2 weeks. The MP I saw was floored with very gentle use of the wand and the Bien stone, as I saw you use it on that woman. Yeah, bruising, stagnation like that, bruising takes months to go away, especially someplace where muscle isn't pumping. And I bet she was absolutely floored on the changes that you had in 2 weeks. You were smart to remember that and use that, because it will absolutely break up that discoloration, the bruising. It helps for healing and repairing. So good job, Karen. And I'm sorry to hear about that experience, but wow. Do you have before and after photos? Because it's so amazing, right? I mean, it's amazing what can happen when you apply frequencies and energetics to, to different areas that can just stagnate. So thank you so much. Okay, so does the body stone help with cellulite, and how often to use it? So yes, the cellulite is often congestion and lymphatic and fascia related. So the stone will absolutely support both of those. So if you're using that at a minimum 3 to 5 times per week, then you are going to definitely see some changes in how your body holds on to those toxins. I have it imprinted for repairing the lymphatic system in the fascia. So you'll actually really see that the circulation is better, the energy flow is better. You're running the wand over all of these acupuncture meridians and acupuncture points that overall you're increasing the energy flow and the cellular communication throughout your entire body. So, often again, that cellulite is really more congestion. It's where the lymphatics and the fascia can really be clogged down. Make sure you take before and after photos because I want to see those as well, right? So before and after photos, but absolutely, we have seen amazing results with cellulite. What's the best way to use the eye cream? Can it be used underneath other products? If I'm using the 5-piece system, if you will, I will just use the eye serum around my eyes and not the facial serum. I think because my cells are like well hydrated and repaired, I don't find that I need the serum for wrinkles on these, like this, what people call the smile lines. I mean, I have smile lines when I'm smiling, but they go away after I smile. So I felt like the serum was plenty, but I wanted to use the serum for puffiness under the eyes, which with the applicator, watch, I don't have one in here. I do. With the applicator, I really find that using the eye serum, pumping and you'll see this on, I think, is this one of the videos, Cindy, that's on our website where I show using the eye serum? I'll
I
let you.
think we do have one on there.
Yeah, because the baseline of it is super simple, but let's go ahead and add, because you're really doing dots around the eyes and then using the round part to sweep that around the eye. So it is that simple, do dot, 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 and then flip it and use the round part to, work that in either in lines or in circles. And then I also, if, I tend to get more puffy under one eye where I'll do a little bit of drainage down on the corner to help the puffiness drain out. And then around the upper eye. And then sometimes I just like doing circles around the upper eye to help take out puffiness as well. So that's how I like to use the eye serum. If you have residual after using the tool, you can just pat it in with your fingertip. And then the other is that I promised that I would mention just a little bit about the new serum, the new oil. So it's called a bioadaptive hydration oil. I am expecting that to be out at by the middle to the end of next month. It's definitely more of an oil. It's called bioadaptive hydration serum, but it's definitely more of an oil. It's a hydration amplifier. It is designed to use with your creams because creams and water absorb really well. And we're just increasing, and we have oils in our creams. So this is adding a super hydrating amplifier oil to your cream, 1 to 2 drops that you can use in your day, your night, even your serum. You can use it especially in your eye serum, in your spot treatment. And it has a beautiful deep cellular nourishment. It's like giving your skin an energy infusion and a drink of water, nutrients, and helping repair on that frequency level all at once. So I think you're absolutely going to love it. I really wanted to make sure that when people were first starting that they had the super hydrator, because a lot of people have some very dehydrated skin. And then also making sure that our friends in Canada and in Arizona and all some of those drier areas have a little bit richer oil to add to their skincare. And then, of course, just by the nature of aging skin, sometimes we just need a little bit of a super boost when we first start, especially. So it's a beautiful lipid rich plant oil. It's, of course, energy charged. I've used Chinese herbs extracts. I use bioferments, which are helping, help absorb those nutrients. And of course, that frequency infused little blue bead. So you'll get that beautiful optimization of all of those ingredients. So I'm very excited about that. I've been using it for months. I love, love, love it. My skin is pretty hydrated. I actually had to use it more like, twice a week was plenty for me. But you can gauge it as you need it. So I'll be sharing that soon. And then I again want to thank you all for being here with me today, whether you're working through healing or optimizing your glow and energy flow, or just taking time to like reconnect and realign with the energy and with everyone here. Remember, your face is a map and your energy is the message. So keep flowing towards that. Stay curious, stay connected, and I will see you next month on the current your monthly energy boost. Thank you so much.